New Zealand has introduced a COVID-19 alert system to help combat the spread of the virus. Live now to New Zealand correspondent Jacinda Williams for more on this. And Jackson, the announcement was made by Jacinda Ardern during a live address to the nation.
This was in fact the first ever official address to the nation by the New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern, using it to convey to the public the measures the government is taking to try and curb the spread of COVID-19. This includes the introduction of a 4-level emergency alert system for coronavirus. Alert level 1 is where COVID-19 is contained. All of New Zealand is currently at alert level 2. That means the disease is contained, but the risks are growing. The Prime Minister says we need to be prepared that certain regions, or perhaps even the entire country, could move to level 3. That is where the disease is increasingly difficult to contain. Public venues are closed. Non-essential businesses are also asked to close their doors. Now, alert level 4 is where we have sustained transmission or widespread outbreaks. Everyone is essentially asked to stay in their home. The community is really in lockdown. We'll listen to some of Jacinda Ardern's first ever public address to the nation detailing this new alert system.
That alert system can apply to the whole country, but sometimes it may only apply to certain towns or cities. It's important to note that with every level, supermarkets and essential services like access to pharmaceuticals will continue.
Jacinda Ardern has asked all people to stop non-essential travel. She also says people over the age of 70 and those with compromised immunity or underlying respiratory conditions to stay at home as much as possible. Currently, we have 52 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the country. 13 of those are new cases. Up until today, there was no evidence of community spread in the country, but health officials cannot rule out that 2 of the cases are as a result of community transmission.
We cannot rule that out. Obviously, Public Health have undertaken their investigations with those who have tested positive, but they are still investigating some of their wider contacts.
Jacinda Ardern says Kiwis know how to rally and look after one another, and that has never been more important during a crisis like the current one that not only this country but the whole globe is facing. The Prime Minister, Gab, used the end of her first official address to the nation to issue a plea for New Zealanders. She says, be strong, be kind and unite against COVID-19.
Jacinda Williams, thank you so much for the update.